Time check. It's already 11:18. Hindi pa ako inaantok. So, I grabbed this book. When Roses Are Red. It's from James Patterson. So, hindi ko sure if most people are familiar with this author. Pero, yep. I learned about him dun sa isang student ko before. She actually recommended me the book. Hindi ko lang maalala yung title. I think that's Pop Goes the Whistle. At saka yung Violets Are Blue yata. So, I read Violets Are Blue back in, I think, 2016 or 2017. After i-recommend sa akin na student ko. So, fortunately, then, binigay niya rin sa akin yung book niya. So, she had a copy of Violets Are Blue and then, she said that gift na daw sa akin yung book. Kasi nga, nag-attend siya ng review and, ayun, she passed the exam and as a thank you gift, binigay niya sa akin yung book niya. So, she also recommended this. Hindi ko lang maalala kung saan ko siya nabili. But I think this was bought in a book sale sa somewhere in SM. So, hindi ko na maalala kung saan SM ko siya nabili. Basta galing siya sa book sale. If not, yung parang book bazaar ba siya sa Robinsons. Hindi ko alam specifically kung anong tawag doon, pero para siyang pwesto ng mga pre-loved books. Yeah. So, dahil hindi pa ako inaantok, babasahin ko siya tonight. Balitaan ko na lang kayo kung tungkol saan yung story.
Look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh my God. Isn't it great?
Chris!
I know, it's my dream.